Hello, I am a student of FCRIT Vashi, currently pursuing BE in Computer Engineering. I, on behalf of entire Computer Engineering department, welcome all prospective students. The institute has very strong roots which have always led the institute to reach the pinnacle of success. All credits to our Managing Director, Reverend Father Saturnino Almeida, and the principal of our institute, Dr. S.M. Khod, who has completed his PhD from IIT Bombay. As we move on to our department, let's meet the head of our department, Dr. Lata Ragha, who has always maintained a calm and composed head.
The Department of Computer Engineering is established in the year 1994. From this academic year, the intake is increased from 60 to 120. The department envisions to contribute significantly towards industry and research-oriented technical education, leading to self-sustainable professionals and responsible citizens. The department has the privilege of having qualified, experienced and dedicated faculty. The National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi, has accredited the department thrice in the years 2006, 2012 and 2019.
Teaching staff of our college has a robust experience with the students as well as the growing industry. Our faculty is as follows. The department has an excellent result with an outstanding 100% passing for the TE and BE students and a superior 85.1% passing in case of SE students in the academic year 2018 to 2019. The college has 7 well-equipped labs which contain cutting-edge technologies that helps the students to grow in a developing environment, such as the R&D lab, Network and Security lab, Database lab, Open Source lab and Computing lab. Let's see what an alumni has to say about his experience through these 4 years.
The Department of Computer Engineering is one of the best places to be at FCRIT Vashi. It helps provide you a platform from where you can launch your dreams. The incredible support and motivation that I receive from the teaching and the non-teaching staff has helped me grow both personally and professionally, and I'm thankful to each one of them. As I look back, there have been several moments, some good, some bad, but each one of them has been a great learning experience. Today, I can proudly say that I spent the best 4 years of my student life at the Department of Computer Engineering.
Students need to have an overall knowledge rather than just textbook knowledge. Computer Society of India is such a professional society which encourages the overall development of the students. The students of the Computer Engineering department take the membership of CSI for the consistent upgradation of knowledge. They not only get to attend but also organize many events under the banner of CSI. Here's the president of CSI to tell a bit more about this year's activity.
Hi, I'm Sanjana. I'm the student president of CSI. As part of CSI this year, we invited industry experts and experts from academia to conduct seminars on interesting topics like risks in emerging technologies, professional ethics, project management, and sustainable development. We also hosted a coding competition that tested algorithmic thinking and proficiency in coding languages like C, C++, Java, and Python. We hosted a workshop on artificial intelligence and machine learning. A flagship event that we organized was an intercollegiate hackathon on a very important topic in the industry today, cybersecurity. Experts from various prestigious government and private organizations interacted with the students and mentored them during this event. Another event that I'd like to talk about is the technical paper presentation competition that we organized during the lockdown. Students from various colleges presented papers on topics ranging from artificial intelligence, machine learning, to mobile computing and blockchain. To sum it up, CSI attempts to bridge the gap between academia and the industry by providing a platform for the students to participate in seminars, competitions, hackathons, and to interact with eminent industry experts.
Along with academic achievements, we have many students working along with faculty, innovating and providing new solutions in the industry as well as the academic field. In fact, all the software used in the management of our department has been developed by our students under the guidance of faculty members. The department has always focused on developing their own projects instead of purchasing it from outside. Some of the in-house developed projects currently being used are the APMS, Exam Cell software, and also the software for accepting minor research grant of Mumbai University. We have also strived to excel in various national competitions as well. Our students have shown great potential when it comes to Smart India Hackathons, where we have grabbed a prize every year. The department also ensures that the students are up to date and connected with the latest trends in industry. This is facilitated by industrial visits as well as seminars and workshops by prominent people in the department. The department also encourages students to continue enhancing their creative side. Zephyr is the department magazine created, curated and published by the students with support of the faculty every year. Articles relating to latest technological advancements and global trends are written by the students. The magazine also showcases the works of students who are talented artists and writers in the department. In terms of placement, these are our top recruiters, including TCS, L&T, Godrej, etc. Placement statistics depict the number of eligible students, placed students, and students who have pursued higher studies. We can clearly see that there has been about 90% placement, and over the years, the number of placed students have increased significantly. Our department provides students with placement training, and for any further queries, a training and placement cell is set up.
Students after college mostly take up a job or continue with their education. Either way, the journey consists of attempting various aptitude tests, GRE, CAT or GATE, and quantitative and verbal reasoning make up a huge part of these tests. I am Afreen Dange, a placement coordinator from Computer STEM 5, and I'm here to tell you that the placement training offered in Agnes covers all of these topics and is very helpful regardless of whether you opt for placement. Writing and speaking lectures not just help you score better in verbal examinations but also help you with communication skills, thus helping the students secure a better future. Code Beta is a global level coding contest conducted every year by Tata Consultancy Services Limited. One of the objectives of the contest is to identify passionate coders by providing them a platform for showcasing their skills. Through Code Beta, 4 such passionate coders from a college were qualified for direct placement.
The ladder of success is often climbed by stepping on rungs of opportunity. And I, as a student of Computer Department of FCRIT Vashi, can proudly say that we are provided with many such opportunities and are encouraged to grasp them. I am extremely jovial and happy to be a part of this department. Thank you so much for watching the video.